उर्दू सबक, बस पर स्कूल आना।
Urdu lesson, school journey by bus.
अहमद बस पर स्कूल आता है।
Ahmed comes to school by bus.
सुबह जब वो तैयार हो जाता है तो बस स्टॉप पर जाता है।
In the morning, when he gets ready, he goes to the bus stop.
वहाँ बस का इंतज़ार करता है।
There he waits for the bus.
जब बस आती है तो बस पर सवार होता है।
When the bus arrives, he boards it.
बस में ड्राइवर को पैसे देता है।
He pays money to the driver.
उससे टिकट लेता है।
He takes the ticket of the driver.
अगर कोई सीट खाली हो तो बैठ जाता है।
If there is a vacant seat, he sits down.
वरना खड़ा रहता है।
Otherwise, he keeps standing.
जब स्कूल का स्टाफ आता है तो ड्राइवर का शुक्रिया अदा करके नीचे उतरता है।
When the school stop arrives, he thanks the driver and gets off.
Now look at these 10 words. Stop, driver, शुक्रिया, इंतज़ार, सीट, टिकट, तैयार, सवार, बस, पैसे. I have written these words in the separate form here. And here you can see their English meanings.
Seat, ticket, ready, bus, money, thanks, stop, wait, board, driver.
Now your job is to match these Urdu words with their separate form and their English meaning. I've done one as an example for you. So, stop is Seen Te Alif Pe, which is in English,
Stop.
You may pause the video here to match your words with their English meanings and Urdu spellings. I'll give you the answers now. So, the first word is stop. Seen Te Alif Pe.
Stop.
Driver. Dal Re Hamza Chotiye Waw Re.
Driver.
शुक्रिया. शीन काफ रे छोटी ये गोल है.
Thanks.
इंतज़ार. अलिफ नून ते जोए अलिफ रे.
Wait.
सीट. सीन छोटी ये टे.
Seat.
टिकट. टे काफ टे.
Ticket.
तैयार. ते ये अलिफ रे.
Ready.
सवार. सीन वाव अलिफ रे.
Board.
बस. बे सीन.
Bus.
पैसे. पे ये सीन बड़ी ये.
Money.
Hopefully you matched these words accurately. Now the second thing I want you to do is this. Look at this passage and try to read it independently without my help. Our video ends here now. Allah Hafiz and have a nice day.